Hi, I'm Gerri Donnelly and I live in South Orange County. Like a lot of people, I suffered for a lot of years with pain in my neck and stress in my shoulders and upper back area. Saw chiropractors, which are good, had massages, which are good. But one day, several months ago, I realized that I couldn't turn my neck. I would lay down in bed at night and writhe in pain for 45 minutes before I could even fall asleep. Then I would be awoken during the night in a lot of pain. I knew what the standard allopathic road of treatment would be, and I didn't want to take it. And I found Dr. Campbell and OC Disc Associates. And in the process of my time in treatment here with Dr. Campbell, I am a new person. My neck can move in positions that it hasn't been able to move in absolute years. The pain is gone in shoulders, and I am so happy and so relieved. So thank you, Dr. Campbell. Thank you, OC Disc Associates.